Hey y'all, it's Mila B and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you some new colors that I got. Actually, they're not even new. I've had these colors for about a year. I finally got around to trying them out because I really wanted a blue nail and I was like, it's good to try them right now while I got this white acrylic on my nails or polygel. So basically, I'm just trying out the colors and I'll go ahead and link them in the description box. Nothing fancy today. And I was actually surprised because, you know, when I open them up, I'm like, ugh, this is not what the picture looked like. But, I mean, what do you expect ordering off of Amazon for $2? But it works, so I'm just polishing my nails today, trying out these colors. On this nail, that's like not even ombre. I don't really know what that is, but I was doing something. I was trying. And on my thumbnail, I mixed both colors because I was like, let me see if I can get the blue that I'm trying to achieve. Now, it did take 3 coats to get the full color, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually liked it once I got done. I think my middle finger is my favorite color, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Y'all like the middle finger or the pointer finger? Let me know which color you think is best. After that third coat, I went ahead and cured for 30 seconds again, added my top coat to all of my nails, cured an additional 30 seconds, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see next. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video.